So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to create this wonderful food website using HTML, CSS and a little bit JavaScript. And yeah, this website is completely responsive and yeah, with animation as well. And I will give you step-by-step tutorial how you can create this website. Okay, so no need to worry. Before starting the demo, let me just show you our previous source code winner. So here we have our first winner, that is Infinity Learns Z, and I already sent the source code to him. So if you also want the source code, you have to comment first, and for before that you have to just like the video, then click on the subscribe button, then select to all. And if you want to be a member of our channel, you can join here as well. With you will get the Ryzen coders for support of our channel, and you can your member will be sought out. In the pro version, what you will get is a source code of the uploaded video and member only videos as well with a new access. The light coders, what you will get member only polls and all the source code of upcoming videos as well as the previous videos as well. So yeah, and priority reply to comment as well. So choose yourself and join, okay, and become our member. So without any delay, let's go back to our channel and then start the video. In the Navbar, here you can see the links looks fine, and with the hover effect it makes it amazing. And you can see the animation part, yeah, it's look crazy as well. Now let's move down, and you can see here we have some special dishes where the hover effect on the cards look perfectly. And when I just go below, you can see this part which looks amazing as well, with some services what we will do, like ordering food, pick up food or enjoy the food. Okay, then we have some chefs details like whatever experience and everything. Then we have some customer reviews as well, you can just add it here as well. Okay, so go and check it out. And then we have a footer here with a copyright. Okay, so go and check it this website. Okay, so if you want that I will just make this website live on the internet, I can do that, but yeah, I need your help. And if you have any issue regarding anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will try to fix it as soon as possible. And yeah, I am just waiting for your comment, your love and support. So just keep supporting guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And yeah, don't forget to share this video to your friends, your loved ones. Okay, because we are very near to 25K, and I believe that you will cover this at the end of this series. Okay, so let's start this video without any delay. So in this video we will cover this nav bar and the hero section part. Okay, and in the upcoming videos we will cover these parts as well. Okay, so let's start the. So guys, here we have an index.html file, and here in the right side we have the window. So start with the document here, so refresh it. Okay, so we have to open in another window. Now it's look fine, and here you can see if I just change the title here to the actual title, that is food man, and here you can see it looks fine now. And I will just add here procoder09 as well for the labeling. And then we have one more link we have to add here. Okay, that is for the icons that I use. Okay, so this link is used to add the icons to our website. Okay, so now let's come to this body tag here and start the coding. So first I will create a tag, that is nav tag. Add a nav tag, and inside this nav tag we will start with the nav header, because we are going to create the uh, navigation part first. Okay, so here nav header, and inside this nav header we will add, first one is logo, and add another class name, that is nav logo, because we will edit it. And inside this add a link, because we will use it to add a link here inside the logo here. So here we will add food and create a span tag and add man. Okay, that's fine. Refresh it, and here we have a food man. Now we will go for the next part here. So come to this div here and create another div, that is nav menu. Okay, and button, and then create a id as well, that is menu button. So what it does, it will use to that hamburger menu. Okay, so how I did that using a span tag here. So click create a span tag. Inside that, create I class here, and inside this I tag, add a class name that is ri menu and line. Okay, let's refresh it, and here we have a hamburger menu as well. Now our hamburger is already here. Now let's go back and add another things like link we have to add. So for that, create a unordered list here, ul, and add a link that add a class name that is nav links, and a id that is nav links. Okay, now inside this ul, let's add the li that is lia, and yeah, these are short tricks to add a link inside a li. Okay, so use it in your to make your work faster. So just after the home, I will add, let's do it fast. Okay, so here we have all the links. So after the ul, we will go for the button. So create here nav and button, and inside this button add a button with the class name button. Okay, and inside this add a I tag here and add a class that is ri shopping bag fill. Okay, for add the icon, and then uh, just okay. Okay, so we have a icon here, you can see. So after that, here you can see our navigation bar is finished, and what you have to do is to style it. But before that, let me add the structure of the hero section as well. So we will just style it both at the same time. Okay, so let's come here. After the nav tag, we will add a section here, and with a class name that is section container, and add one more class name that is header container. Okay, with the id that is home. Okay, so there are short tricks which I use. You can see now the two class name are added, and id as well. Now inside the section, just create another that is header image. Inside the header image, add a image. Okay, and the src will be assets and header.png, and for alt I will add header image. Okay. Now refresh it, and here we have the image part. Okay, so after the image, we will go for the header content. So header content, inside this header content, start with the h1 tag, add content that is meet it enjoy the true test. Okay, then after the heading, we will go for the section description here. So p dot section description. Okay, now inside this description, add our description here. So here, let me add the description here, and now you can see, yeah, the description added successfully. So after the description, we will go for the header button. So just create a header button here. So dot header button, and inside this header button, add a button with a class name button, and a button that is get started. Okay, that's fine. Now our work is done here, and now we can go with the styling part here. So for that, what I have to do is to first create a page and then style it. So let first style it here. So here add a link that is style.css. Okay, and I will create a already created a file here. So just let's open it and add the content. So here we have a style.css file, and now it's time to style this part as well. So now we already linked our index.html with the style.css file, and now it's time to add the styling here. So first start with the font family here. So I will add Google API for the font family pop-ins here. Okay, and now for other, start with the root folder root file here. So inside this I will first add, so first I will add prime root folder and add some colors here. So let me add it first. So here root file are added. Now it's time to style the universal here. So first let give the margin 0, then padding 0, and then box sizing border box. Okay. Then after that add the body here and add the font family, that is Poppins. Okay. Poppins, and the second one is sans serif. Okay. Now it's look fine, and when I refresh you can see it changes. Now after the body part, we will go for the logo here. So add a logo and then a, then after that add the logo, that is font size 1.5 rem, and then font weight will be 700. Color will be primary color. Okay. Now check, yeah, it's look great now. Then change the logo a span, and here add the color, that is text, sorry, add the color, that is where, and that is text dark. Okay, text dark. Let refresh it, and yeah, there are some issues, that is this one. Now it's fine, and then move to another one, that is image here. So we will add this as well, like display flex, and then second one will be, I will add it 100%. Then we will go for the a tag, that text decoration will be none, and transition will be 0.3 seconds linear. Okay. Then for the UL, let list style none. Okay, list style none. Then after the UL, we will go for the navigation link. Okay, so add a comment here, that is navigation. Now we will start the navigation part. So after adding the comment here, start with the navigation part here. So inside the nav tag, add a position fixed, then add isolation isolate, width 100%, and z index will be 9. Refresh it, and here you can see the nav position is already fixed. Now what we will do is to add nav header, and inside the nav header add width 100, then padding will be 1 rem, display flex, and you can see align item will be center, then justify content will be space between, and background will be primary color. Okay. Now after this part, what we will do is to add the nav logo here and style it to color white. Okay. So now it's gone. Then after that, add nav menu button here, and inside that add font size will be 1.5 rem. Okay, and then color will be white, and cursor will be pointer. Now the hamburger also gone. Then after that, what we will do is to add the nav menu link. So nav links here. Okay, you can see here nav button. Now nav links here, position absolute, top 68, left 0, width 100%, padding 2 rem, list cell none. Display will be flex. Refresh it, and here you can see. Then after that, align item center, justify content will be center, flex direction column, gap 2 rem, background color will be primary light, transition will be 0.5 seconds, and z index will be -1, transform translate by 100. Refresh it, and here we have this part here. Now after this design, what we will do is to add the nav links here. For the hamburger, when I click, what it will be for toggle. So here add nav links open, and when I click on that, it will translate y to the 0. Okay. So yeah, it's look fine. So after that, let's style this nav links a. So add font width to be 500 and color will be primary color. So now you can see. Then after that, add a hover effect, that is color will be dark. Okay. So yeah, it now we can't check it because it already in z index -1, but yeah, it changes color to black. Then after that, let's remove the display, remove the nav button for now. Okay, so z index will be none. Okay, none. Okay, so now it's removed. Then after that, what we will do is to add the media query for the responsiveness of navigation bar. So add responsiveness here, media query, add nav. Let's add the nav here, and when the size is more than 768 pixels, what it will do is to add the position static. Then adding padding, max width to be 100%, margin inline, auto, display flex, align item center, justify content space between gap to area. Refresh it. Okay, so now you can see the gap and everything looks great, but we have to change the color because I don't think it looks good here. Okay, so if I just go, okay, we will change it later. Okay, so go for the nav header here. So inside the nav header, what we will do is to add a flex 1, padding 0, and background color will be transparent. Okay, then after that, after nav header, let's go for the nav logo here, and here add a primary color. Okay, so now you can see it look fine. Then after primary, add just remove the button here. So nav menu button and remove display name. Okay, now it's look good. So it's time to add nav links here. So inside the nav link, add position static. Okay, and add padding 0. Flex direction will be row. Black color, background color transparent, and transform none. Okay, now it's look great, and you can see the hover effect. Okay, then nav link A, and then color will be text dark. Then on hover it will be primary. Okay, we will just revert it. So when I hover, you can see. Okay, so it look perfect. Then here nav button, add display flex, flex 1, and justify content flex set. Here we have the button. Then add the nav button padding, margin, border radius. Okay, font size, border radius here. Okay, so now yeah, it looks fine now. If I just increase the width here, okay, so here is a cat something. Okay, so if I just go here, okay, we will fix it soon. Okay, but first let go for the header tag. So let's go for the header tag now. So inside the header tag, what I will do is to add the section container here. So header container, and inside this header container, add the display grid, gap to rem, overflow hidden. Okay, now after that, where add max width 600, margin inline auto. Okay, now the image sets. After that, header content h1, and here margin bottom will be 1 rem, then font size 3.5 rem, font weight 700, line height 4.5 rem, color will be text dark, text align center. Okay, yeah, now it's look great. Then for the span part here, add primary color, and after that, for the section content and description, add the this part, that is margin bottom. Let's move over here. Yeah, now header button will be text align center, and then add the responsiveness, that is media query, that is grid template to FR 3FR, and then align item center. Then for the header part here, H1, section description, header button, text align left, and for the header image it will be grid, that is 1 2 3 3. Okay, so now let's check the responsiveness here first. So in the responsiveness it's look good, but okay, so we need some changes here, like we have to style the section container, then section description. Some I already forgot that, so we'll start with the section container, and here add the max width to be max width. Okay, and then refresh it. Then after that, add margin to be auto. and padding will be 5 rem from top bottom, 1 rem from left right. Refresh it, and here you can see the design looks perfect now. Then for the description here, dot section description, uh, color will be text light. Okay, color will be text light. Then line height will be 1.75 rem, and text align will be center. Okay, so now it's look perfect, but here the button design is not perfect, and here as well, so we will fix it. Okay, then after that what we will do is style the button part. So come here and just add a button, and inside this button add padding, then outline, then border, then white space, then font size, that is 1 rem, then color, that is white, background color, that is primary color, then border radius, and then 10 pixels to the border radius, then transition, that is 0.3 seconds, then cursor will be pointer. Then you can see here the button is designed, but we have to add the hover effect. So let's add button hover effect and change it to primary color dark. Refresh it, and let's come here, and here you can see the design looks perfect. And if I just show you here, the design is changed as well. So yeah, it looks perfect now. And for the food man here, we have to just for the logo here, yeah, it's here. So we just have to add display flex, and now it's perfect. Okay, so yeah, now it's perfectly working. Let's check it first. What is the issue? So if I just check it, and here in the nav header, the background color is not using. Okay, but why? Because we already added the nav header here. Okay, so the issue is that we just make the difference in header. Now refresh it. Okay, and I think there are some more errors that we have to fix, because these small fixes, just put it. Okay, so just put it again, refresh. Yeah, now it's look perfect. And now when I click here, it will just come here. For that, what I will do is to come to this index.html, add a script tag here, and inside this script tag we just have to add the parts here. So first start with the menu button. Okay, so it already here, and when I refresh, yes. Okay, so we have to make some changes, like that's not active, that's open. Okay, now it will be open. Here you can see it look perfect, right? So yeah, and let me tell you how it works. So here I have added a menu button, that is take the element ID menu button here from this part, here menu button. Then after that we have nav links, that is this one. Then after that what I will done is, when I click on the menu button here, it will just toggle the open class, and that is open class is here. uh, yeah, it's here. So when I click on open class, the transform is changes to translate by 0, and then again when I click, it will just move it to 100. Okay, so that's the work of toggle. Then here we have scroll effects, like when I just refresh, like when I just windows or add event listener scroll, when I just scroll, what it does is to add the scrolled. Remove this part. So here our work is done, and it looks perfectly fine. When I just refresh this page, and you can see it works perfectly. And there are some small errors that we might face, and but our website looks crazy. And this is just the beginning of the website, and we have to complete more steps. Okay, so we will cover the uh, special special dishes in the next part. Okay, so be with us, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe it and share this video to all your friends, your loved ones, and please join our YouTube channel if you want, be a partner of our channel. And you can buy the source code, premium source codes as well at store.procoder09.com, or you can check out our blog as well. Okay, and if just follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere I am. Go to description and follow me. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.